When I found out that fairies were real, I started making wishes to them, and my wishes were coming true. So I wished that everybody could know fairies were real. And I didn't just want to tell them. I wished to the fairies, and we made a magical quest. In the quest, you have to follow the instructions to show the fairies you can look after nature. In the enchanted forest, we have to find a gnome with a clue. He'll tell us what to do. Oh, there he is. He's got instructions. If we follow these instructions properly, we'll help the plants grow. If plants are in pots, they need our help. Oh, look, there they are. Okay, and if we follow these instructions properly, we'll get another clue from behind the drawbridge of the gnome's castle. Ah, yes, it's locked. Once we've figured out how to unlock the gnome's castle and get the next clue out, we have to make our way to the beach. Oh, we're going to have to cross this beautiful stream. Oh, there's a waterfall. How lovely. You know, I'd rather be working with my feet in a stream by a waterfall than in some stinky human office. Okay, so to the beach. Why is there always rubbish on the beach? If you want to be friends with the fairies, you've got to help them. They can't pick it up. Another of the tasks that the fairies want us to master is looking after the animals. We have to find all of the animals that are hiding by candlelight and put them back in their mother's nest where they belong. If you want to be friends with the fairies, you've got to live in harmony with nature. And if we can do all of these things right, we can unlock the fairy doors. Because you have gained the fairies' trust. The quest room is a beautiful space made by the fairies to show everybody how to live in harmony with nature. If you do a quest, you can interact with the whole space.